Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide group chat on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. So let's just head on and open up the Instagram app right here. And the first thing that we're going to do is to turn our account into a professional one. So to do that, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner and you should be on this page. From here, just click on this 3-bar line at the top right corner. Click on settings. Click on account right here. Scroll down a bit and you should see the option is switch to professional account. So click on that. Just click on continue to go through the pages. You can click whichever category you like. And let's just wait for it to load. You can also choose to display it. And then click on creator right there or business, whichever is more appropriate. Just click on next. And you can just click on X from now. And you can just continue setting it up later on. And now let's go to our home page right here by clicking on the home icon at the bottom left hand corner to access our conversations or messages with our friends. And then click on the messenger icon at the top right corner. And from here you can just select or choose the group chat that you want to hide. For example, this one, I want to hide this certain conversation or group chat. To do that, just swipe to the left on the specific conversation or group chat and click on general. So that will be hidden from your primary tab. But you can also go to general, and then you will find it there. You can just move it back to primary by swiping to the left again, click on primary. So that is how you can basically hide group chat on Instagram in a certain way. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.